Good morning, students. How are you, students? Students, today we will start our revision work from revision sheet. So, take out page number 1, chapter 1, Why Meena Could Not Sleep. The summary of this chapter is One night Meena could not sleep. एक रात मीना सो नहीं सकी. She thought that everyone was trying to say that they knew what happened in the morning. She thought, उसने सोचा कि everyone यानी हर कोई was trying to say कहने का प्रयास कर रहा था कि वो जानता है what happened in the morning सुबह में क्या हुआ. She felt guilty and said sorry to her माँ. उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ, गलती महसूस हुई और उसने अपनी माँ से सॉरी कहा. She said that she ate up the cake that was on the plate. उसने कहा कि माँ जो प्लेट में केक था वो मैंने खाया. Mother was very happy to hear this, that she realized her mistake. माँ को ये सुनकर बहुत खुशी हुई कि मीना को अपनी मिस्टेक यानी गलती का रियलाइज हुआ यानी अपनी गलती उसे महसूस हुई. नाउ वी विल डू सीन पैसेज 1 of this chapter. Read the passage carefully. Here is a passage. We will read it very carefully because all the questions are based on this paragraph. Meena could not go back to sleep. Oh, I wish I had not done it, she said sadly. Soon there came the soft sound of 4 little feet. Kitty jumped onto the bed and kissed Meena's cheek. Yes, you do know, Kitty, said Meena. Now, look at question number 1. Write word meaning of. Here are 2 words. We will write meaning of these words from this passage. The first one is fall asleep again. Means go back to sleep. So we will write here go back to sleep. Now look at next word unhappily, and its meaning is sadly. So we will write here sadly, sadly, sadly. Now look at question number 2. Write opposite of. So we will write here hard, 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 and its opposite is soft. So we will write here SOFT, soft. Now look at question number B, hues, and its opposite is little. So we will write here LITTLE, little. Now turn your page and take out page number 2. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. Students, we will fill these blanks by our passage. Question number 1 is Kitty dash onto the bed. Now we will see in this passage where is the answer. Kitty jumped onto the bed. Missing word is jumped. So we will write here jumped. JUMPED, jumped. Kitty jumped onto the bed. Now look at question number B. There came the dash sound of 4 little feet. Now we will search this sentence from our passage. Now look here. There came the soft sound of 4 little feet. So missing word is soft. So we will write this word in our blank. Here we will write, there came the soft sound of 4 little feet. Now look at question number 4. Write answer of following questions. Students, here are some questions. We will write these questions answer from our passage by page number 1. Now look at question number 1. How many feet does Kitty have? तो किटी के कितने पैर हैं? Now we will search the answer of this question in our passage. Now look at this sentence. There came the soft sound of 4 little feet of Kitty. So how many legs Kitty has? Kitty has 4 little feet. So we will write the answer. Kitty has how many legs? 4 little feet. Full stop. Now look at question number 2. Where did Kitty kiss? So where did Kitty kiss? We will find the answer of this question from our passage. Now look at this line. Kitty jumped onto the bed and kissed Mina's cheek. So the answer, Kitty kissed on Mina's cheek. So we will start from here. Kitty kissed. Now we will write the past form of the verb because we find this helping verb in our question. Kitty kissed on Mina's cheek. Now look at question number C. What did Mina say sadly? So we will find the answer of this question from our passage. So our answer is here. She said sadly, "Oh, I wish I had not done it." Mina said sadly, "Oh, I wish I had not done it." Now look at question number D. Who knows what happened in the morning? So you know, who knows what happened in the morning? According to our passage or our chapter, Mina said to the kitty that, "Yes, you do know, Kitty." It means Kitty knows everything what happened in the morning. So we will write here our answer. Kitty knows what happened in the morning. Now look at scene passage 2. Mina's voice woke up the parrot. He lifted his head from under his wings and called out. Mina thought he said, "I know." "You naughty parrot," said Mina. Now, by this passage, we will solve our all questions that based on this paragraph of scene passage 2. Question number 1 is give answer of these questions. Question number 1 is whose voice woke up the parrot? So, whose voice woke up the parrot? Mina's voice woke up the parrot. So, we will write here the answer. Mina's voice woke up the parrot. Now look at page number 3, our question number 2. Who lifted his head? According to our passage, who lifted his head? Parrot lifted his head. So we will write here the parrot lifted his head. Full stop. Now look at question number C. Who said these words to whom? You naughty parrot. Who said this line? Who said? Mina said. So we will write here Mina. To whom? To whom Mina said? Mina said to the parrot. So we will write here parrot. Now look at question number 2. Write past form of lift or say. So we will find the answer of this word from our passage. Look students, the past form of lift is lifted and the past form of say is said. So we will write this answer here. L-I-F-T-E-D, lifted. S-A-I-D, said. Now look at question number 3. Write opposite of tail and sleep. So students, opposite of tail is head and opposite of sleep is woke up. So we will write here H-E-A-D, head, and here we will write woke up. Now look at question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Students, we will complete this sentences by the paragraph because it is a scene passage. Now look at question number A. You dash parrot, said Mina. So what did Mina said? Mina said, you naughty parrot. So we will write here naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Now look at question number B. Mina's dash woke up the parrot. And according to the passage, here we will write voice. Mina's voice woke up the parrot. So students, this is the work from our revision sheet. You will do very beautifully in your revision sheet. Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care.